Hello and welcome to Unlock English Through Stories. Today's story will do two things. First, it will help you practice English. Second, it might just kill your laziness forever. So sit back, listen slowly, and stay with us till the end. Let's begin. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a boy named Ryan. Ryan was known for one thing. He was lazy, very lazy. He lived with his parents in a small house near the rice fields. Every morning, his father worked hard in the sun. Ryan had one job, to scare the birds away from their crops. But Ryan didn't want to walk. He didn't want to run. So he tied ropes across the field and attached old cans to them. Then he pulled the ropes from one place, and the noise scared the birds. It worked, and Ryan could lie down and relax. Smart? Maybe. But hard-working? Not really. Then one summer, everything changed. There was no rain, and his father became very sick. Now Ryan had to take care of the whole field, alone. First he tried, but he wasn't used to real work. His hands hurt, his body was tired, and the crops started to die. That night, Ryan sat under the stars. He felt useless, weak, afraid. He asked himself, why didn't I try harder before? Why did I waste so much time? The next morning, a soldier came to the village. He announced a message from the king. There will be a great competition at the palace. The winner will get a chest of gold. Ryan stood up. His heart beat fast. He thought, this could save my family. Without thinking too much, he said, I will join the competition. People laughed. You're lazy. You'll never win. But Ryan had made up his mind. He packed a small bag and started his journey. 3 days later, Ryan reached the palace. The first challenge was announced. Cross the lake. The first 3 people to finish will go to the next round. Everyone jumped into the water. Strong swimmers, powerful men. But Ryan just stood there, looking. He thought, I can't swim fast, but maybe I can think fast. He ran into the forest, found broken branches, and made a raft. He used a flat piece of wood as a paddle, and slowly he floated across. As the others got tired, Ryan kept moving. In the end, he finished third. He passed the round. The final round was even harder. Each person was given a huge wooden block. The task: push the block 1 kilometer to the finish line. Behind them were tools. They could choose only one. The first man chose a rope. The second used a lever. But Ryan stood still, thinking. Then he picked a small knife. People laughed again. A knife? That's useless. But Ryan didn't listen. He began to carve, cutting, shaping. He turned the block into a round ball. Took time, but when he was done, he pushed the wooden ball, and it rolled. While others struggled, Ryan moved fast. He passed one, then another, and crossed the finish line. He won. The chest of gold was his. Life lesson. The crowd cheered. Even the king smiled. The lazy boy had become a champion. But Ryan didn't just win gold. He won respect. He won purpose. And he learned the most important lesson of all. Smart thinking can help you, but hard work, driven by love, can change your life. Moral values. If you ever feel lazy, remember Ryan. He wasn't strong. He wasn't fast. But he had a reason. A why. That why made him work, made him think, made him win. So find your why. For your family, for your dreams, for your future. And then, get up and start. English practice reminder. Now that the story is over, take one small step. Open your notebook. Write down 5 to 10 new words you heard today. Try to make your own sentence with each word. Then, listen to the story again. You'll understand more and feel the story deeper. This is how we learn. This is how we grow. Day by day, word by word, story by story. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next story.